Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Python. Today we are going to learn about the image rotations and the translations with Pillow. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So, the image rotations and the translations are the common transformations in image processing. With Pillow, you can easily rotate and translate images. Below are the detailed instructions with example. So first of all, rotating an image. Rotation involves rotating an image around its center by a specified angle. Okay, so let's take an example. You can use the rotate method to rotate an image by specified number of degrees. Positive values rotate the image counterclockwise, while negative values rotate it clockwise. Okay, so this is the code for rotating an image. Let's have a look for that one. Let me copy this code, open the VS code, and this is our previous code that needs to be commented. Now add this code. So here the path that I want to rotate of that image, that is retrieve collection. Okay, rotate by 45 degrees, then save that path with this. Okay, and then display it. Okay, let's look into it. Let me open with the terminal the Python project, Python 3 main.py, and here you can see it is rotated. Okay, here you can see by the angle, but the what is the angle, that is 45 degrees. So here you can see that it's 45-degree rotated, right? The next one, so this is the now rotating an image with expansion. When rotate an image, parts of the image may get cropped. Okay, to prevent this you can use the expand option. Okay, so here we have to use the method that is expand, right? So just add the expand to be true to output the image to fit. Okay, so here we will add a new parameter, that is this expand true. Let's close this image. Let's try to rerun this and have a look. So here you can see that it's not cropped. Now it's fully rotate without cropping. Okay, and what it is, when you rotate an image, parts of the image get cropped. To prevent this you can use the expand my option. Okay, so expand option we have used, rotate the image by 45-degree counterclockwise and expand the output image to fit. Okay, next we have the translating an image. Translation involves shifting an image by a specified number of pixels horizontally and or vertically. So translation we are going to do, translating an image. To translate an image you can use the image chops.offset method. Okay, so let's try it. So here we go with this one. Here we need to add the path. Okay, open the image, translate the image by 100 pixels to the right and 50 pixels down. Okay, so this is that one. Then save the translated image with the path. So I'm going to translate the image and then save it, and then show that display the image, translated image, right? So let's try this. Let me quit this one. Here you can see it is translated. Okay, and if I, by how much it is, 100 pixels to the right and 50 pixels to the down. Here you can see that. Okay, original image you can see that this is the original image. Here you can see that there is no red portion over here, and now if I just go with the translated one, here you can see that it's translated. Here you can see that. Okay, so combining all in one, we're trying combining rotations And translation, first rotate then translate. So this is the full-fledged code for that one. So you can do like this, the combining method. So here we need to add this path. Okay, so what, wrap this, then first final image path, and we have to go with this. Save this and display it. Okay, so it's combining, first rotate by 45-degree counterclockwise, then 100 pixels right, fix 50 pixels down, then save the final image and display it. Okay, so let's try to open it. Here you can see that, right? So this is how you can do the translation and rotation. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.